In this video, they're talking about the Second Amendment of the United States. And before I refute their point of view, I would like to talk about it a little bit. So, this is from the Constitution of the United States that says, a well-regulated militia being necessary to the security of a free state, the right of the people to keep and bear arms shall not be infringed. And what is a militia? It is an army. It is a military force. So I think it is so amazing that this country has that right to bear arms to keep their freedom. Um, so let's see. Right here, he's going to say something about her, but the audio is not doing very good with the recording. So I'm sorry, teacher.
His gun. Secretary Clinton, you said last year when we quote, the Supreme Court is wrong on the Second Amendment. And now, in fact, in the 2000.
So she said that about 1 year before the debate. And here he asked her about if she's supporting the Second Amendment or not. So let's see what she says. She said,
Wrong with that? Well, first of all, I support the Second Amendment. I lived in Arkansas for 18 wonderful years. I represented upstate New York, and I understand.
So she says she supports the Second Amendment, but I think she's not being completely honest. And I'm gonna tell you what she says the last year of the debate. Open quote. I was proud when my husband took the National Rifle Association on, and we were able to ban assault weapons. Close quote. So drawing from federal and state law definition, the term assault weapon is very general, refers primarily to semi-automatic rifles, pistols, and shotguns. So it's general with weapons, I think. She also said, open quote, we have got to go after this. And here again, the Supreme Court is wrong on the Second Amendment, and I'm going to make that case every chance I get. So what made her change of opinion so quickly? She said she was going to make that case every chance she get. And what a better chance than being the President of the United States. So that is why I don't think she's being honest with that answer. I don't think she supports the Second Amendment. Also, I think what kind of politician wants to take away that right that their people already have to arm themselves to fight for their freedom? So I think this is a tyrant. She wants to implement gun control and says some excuses that aren't completely right for me. So here,
You kill newer members of your family. And so when I think about what we need to do, we have 33,000 people a year who die from guns.
so she gives this big number, 33,000 people who dies from guns. But before it, she was talking about how people are being killed. So even though she says die, you think that are a lot of people that are being killed with guns. So nearly two-thirds of gun deaths are suicide. So she's missing an important information about it, just to convince people that guns are bad and need a better control. Which I don't think this is good because it can lead to lose freedom and to be more hopeless against a tyrannical government.